Hi everyone, welcome to Enjoy Food and Travel. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to make veg dumplings with spicy sauce. First we are going to prepare spicy sauce. For this recipe you need 8 to 10 fresh red chilies, 400 grams tomatoes, salt to taste, 6 cloves of garlic and oil. So let's get started. Heat oil in a pan. Add garlic, fresh red chilies. Saute on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add tomatoes. Mix it and cook further for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Stir occasionally. Add salt to taste. Mix it. Once the mixture is cooked, transfer it to a blender and blend until smooth. Our spicy sauce is ready. Transfer it to a bowl. Add some chili flakes. Give it a good mix and keep aside. To prepare wholemeal dumplings, you need 1 cup wholemeal flour, 600 grams of crushed cauliflower, broccoli, carrot, capsicum, corn and onions. I'll be keeping half of this portion for another day. So basically for 1 cup of wholemeal flour, you only need 300 grams of crushed vegetables. Little bit of black pepper, half tablespoon dark soy sauce, salt to taste and oil. So let's get started. In wholemeal flour, add little salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix it. Gradually add water and start to knead. Knead the flour to a soft and smooth dough. Dumpling dough is ready. Cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. To prepare dumpling filling, heat oil in a pan. Add crushed vegetables. Saute on high heat until all the water is evaporated. Add salt to taste. Add a little bit of black pepper. Mix well. Add dark soy sauce and mix well. Dumpling filling is ready. Remove from hot pan and keep aside. To make dumplings, take a small portion of dough. Roll the dough into small sized smooth ball. Sprinkle some flour on a dough ball. Roll dough ball into a thin circle of about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Dumpling wrap is ready. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Dumpling wraps are ready. Now take a wrap and place 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable stuffing in the center. Join the edges. Once the edges are joined, bring both the ends together and join as shown in the video. Another way of making dumpling is to place 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable stuffing in the center. Lift one side of the edge and start pleating as shown in the video. Begin to pleat the dumpling. Join all the pleats in the center as shown in the video. Now remove excess dough from the top. Dumpling is ready to steam. Prepare all the dumplings in a similar way. To steam dumplings, grease a steamer pan with some oil. Arrange dumplings in a pan, leaving a little bit of space in between them. Cover and steam on high heat until the outer dough of dumpling turns shiny and transparent. It took me around 10 minutes to steam the dumplings on high heat. Carefully remove the dumplings from hot steamer. Our delicious wholemeal vegetarian dumplings are ready to enjoy with spicy tomato garlicky sauce. It's a must-try recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, then do support my channel. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy food and travel. Thanks for your time. See you next time. Till then, happy cooking and happy eating.